Monitor symptoms and menstrual cycle. Keep a detailed record of your menstrual cycle and any symptoms you experience, such as hot flashes, sleep disturbances, mood swings, and brain fog. This helps you and your healthcare provider identify patterns and determine if you are entering perimenopause. Early detection allows for proactive management, making it easier to mitigate symptoms before they become severe. Tracking symptoms also aids in distinguishing menopause-related issues from other potential health concerns. Engage in regular physical activity. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts into your routine. Studies have shown that regular exercise can significantly reduce menopause symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and brain fog. Cardiovascular activities improve blood circulation and help regulate body temperature, which can reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes. Strength training maintains muscle mass and bone density, crucial for preventing osteoporosis. Flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates enhance overall well-being and reduce stress. Even simple activities like daily walking can improve your energy levels and mood. Consult about HRT. If you experience severe menopause symptoms, discuss hormone replacement therapy, HRT, with your healthcare provider. Starting HRT within 10 years of menopause onset can stabilize hormone levels, reducing symptoms like hot flashes, insomnia, and cognitive decline. Research indicates that early HRT can significantly improve quality of life and may even protect against osteoporosis and cardiovascular disease. It's crucial to have a personalized plan, as HRT may not be suitable for everyone. Working closely with your doctor ensures that you make informed decisions tailored to your health needs. Incorporate phytoestrogen-rich foods. Add soy, flax seeds, and whole grains to your meals. These foods contain phytoestrogens, which can mimic estrogen and help reduce symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. For example, studies have shown that women who consume a diet rich in phytoestrogens experience fewer and less severe menopause symptoms. This dietary change can also support bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a common concern post-menopause. Avoid processed foods and sugars. Cut back on processed foods and sugary treats. These can cause blood sugar spikes, which may exacerbate hot flashes and contribute to weight gain. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy weight. A balanced diet can improve your energy levels and overall well-being, making menopause symptoms more manageable. Prioritize sleep. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a calming bedtime routine and make your bedroom a restful environment by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep. Quality sleep can significantly reduce insomnia and fatigue, helping you feel more rested and improving your cognitive function during the day. Monitor mood changes. Pay attention to your mood and emotional well-being. Hormonal fluctuations during menopause can lead to mood swings, irritability, and depression. If you notice persistent changes in your mood, seek support from a healthcare professional or therapist. Addressing mental health is crucial for maintaining a positive outlook and managing stress. Mental health support can also improve your relationships and daily functioning. Reduce exposure to environmental toxins. Avoid using plastic containers and opt for glass or stainless steel instead. Plastics can release endocrine-disrupting chemicals that may worsen menopause symptoms. Use natural cleaning products and avoid exposure to pollutants whenever possible. Reducing toxins helps maintain hormone balance, decreasing the severity of menopause symptoms and supporting overall health. This can also lower the risk of other health issues, such as hormonal cancers and thyroid problems. Stay informed and monitored. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Discuss any new symptoms or concerns as they arise. Regular monitoring can help manage menopause symptoms effectively and detect any health issues early. For instance, routine bone density tests can catch early signs of osteoporosis, allowing for timely intervention. Staying proactive about your health ensures better outcomes and a smoother transition through menopause.